Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So we're popping right in to show you guys a tutorial, and the style that we're doing for today's look is the boho box braids. Yes, I would say the size is medium, and of course to start off the process I'm doing knotless, so you want to start braiding her hair for 2 revolutions before adding the first piece of braiding hair. The hair is from Amazon. Both the braiding hair and the curly hair, they're from Amazon, and I will give you more details on that later. All right, so 2 pieces have been added thus far, and we're gonna go ahead and braid that down, and we're gonna start adding the curly piece. Now the hair that we're using for the curls is a human hair, yes, again from Amazon. I do not know the vendor's name, yes, or I cannot pronounce it because these vendors' names on Amazon, they are really weird sometimes. But I will absolutely leave the link down below in case you wanted to get your hands on this hair. But the color is a number 4 and 27 combination for the curls. It is the body wave, 18 inches long, and I did use 2 packs. So pay attention to the volume, because if you want more curls than this, baby, get more than 2 packs, because we were literally scrimping for that hair to be enough to complete the style. All right, so yeah. All right, from another angle, let's get into it again, making sure that we smooth her hair down, separate the hair into 3, and start your typical 3-strand braid. Add the first piece, braid again, add in the second piece and braid, and we're adding another tiny piece, and from there on out we're going to just braid for a couple of inches, after which I'm going to add the first piece. Sometimes the curly piece is a solid number 27, sometimes it's a number 4, sometimes it's a combination of both, depending on the piece of hair that we randomly pick out. All right, and by way of spacing, I leave maybe 2 or 3 inches in between each curly piece, and in total for each of these braids, because the braids are on the longer side, the braiding hair is actually 26 inches long. I did not mention much about the hair. The braiding hair is a color number 30, and I believe the brand is Pectra. Yeah, 26 inches, number 30. And yeah, I end up adding maybe 5 or so pieces of curly hair onto each of the braids. Again, if you want less curls, then put less pieces. If you want more curls, then you already know the deal, use more. And another thing I want to point out is after I add all of those pieces, I do add just a very tiny piece of curly hair at the end, so that the end of the braids look nice and seamless. All right, so I'm braiding in that tiny piece of curl towards the end, and there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of curl, and then we have that tiny one at the end. So this is what the progress is looking like thus far. We are pretty much just a little bit past the half mark, and we're about to start the front section. So from another angle, guys, yes, for those of you who are trying to learn the technique, again, 2 revolutions of braids, then you add the first piece of braiding hair and braid again, and then we add the second piece of braiding hair, continue to braid, and I'm adding a first piece of curl, and this is clearly a number 27 at the top. And if I do a number 27 at the top as a first piece, I do intentionally usually try to do a number 4 as the second piece, and then I alternate as I go along. So yeah, as far as is possible. Sometimes it doesn't happen that way, but it's my intention to do that, and so I actually put out the effort to. Sometimes the pieces are blended, like I say, so in those cases it is what it is. All right, so that's the third piece of curl. Going ahead, braiding for about another 2 or 3 inches or so. Then I add another piece. So you see, in this case, guys, it's two blonde pieces that is back to back, and that happens sometimes, and that is totally fine, because trust me, it's not gonna make that huge of a difference. Just do whatever you feel like doing. It's still gonna turn out looking nice in terms of the color blend. It's usually easier to work with one of those alligator clips to clip the hair away while you braid, so that that curly piece that's already installed doesn't get braided into the hair that you're already braiding. That happened to me before, and it's a pain because you literally have to just unbraid everything to release it. Other than that, you're gonna have to cut it, which you know we can't do that. All right, so this is it thus far. Again, I like the whole nice loose curl vibe. It just give it that nice romantic look. Sometimes the tight curls can be harder to maintain too, so this is an option for, you know, those who are looking for something that is less high maintenance. So this is the look, and for the most part you would notice it's giving more blonde than anything else. Yes, it looks like more of the 27, even though I believe that it was a full an equal blend of both colors, but it did, you know, show the 27 as the more dominant color. So make sure that's the look that you're going for. And guys, yeah, again, I used all 2 packs of the curly hair. As far as the braiding hair, it came with 8 bundles in the pack. I really don't remember how much I used, but you definitely won't use anywhere near the 8 packs, so don't worry about that. All right, so again, guys, I will leave the link down below. This is a side part option that I'm showing you guys, that you can, you know, flip it either way. But again, leaving the link down below, and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye.